Scrub your little stinky toes. And do her back legs. Yep. Rosie, there's a stinky toe McGee. There's a stinky toesy Rosie. This other leg did not get wet. And then we'll do a funny video of her like doing a little hair piece up, okay?